Hi fam, welcome to another DIYs video. If it is your first time here, my name is Blessing, and to my returning subscriber, you are also welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make your super moisturizing buttercream for your natural hair. And if you want to see that, keep on watching.
Do you want to know?
So guys, to make our buttercream is very simple. All you need is a shea butter, and this shea butter is from Nigeria, so it's original and a very reliable one. So guys, and another thing you need is a coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use almond oil, you can use jojoba oil, depends on the one you have. So I preferred the coconut oil. So the next thing I will add is black castor oil. So I'm using the Jamaica black castor oil, and then I'll just add it to it. And another essential thing I will use, like is very important, is my essential oils. So I love essential oil when it comes to my DIYs for my natural hair, and the one I'm using the lavender and the orange and ginger. So these are the one I have at home. You can use more if you have more at home. So I'll just add it to it, and then voila, these are the things we have. Just 3 things. It's not hard. All you need more is butter. Then I'll just transfer it to my boiling water, hot water, like you have to be hot, and then melt all the butter and melt everything together. So guys, this process, I'll just let everything melt very well, and then use my spoon and then mix them together so that all the oils I add will be well mixed together, so that one will not go to the other side and the other one stay on the other side. So guys, now that everything is well melted, I'll just transfer it to the fridge. So I'll put it in the fridge so that it will be solid again. So, and it will not completely solid before mixing it again. So as you can see, I'm just turning it with my spoon and then transfer it to the fridge. So this is how it is. Like it has solid a bit, then I will just use my electric mixer to mix it a little bit and then transfer it again for the second time. The purpose of doing it so that it will be creamy very well, because if it's not well solidified, it will not mix well. So you have to let it solidify very well before using your mixer to mix it, else the creamy that you need, like the butter creamy, will not be hard. So guys, you will see that in a bit. So guys, this is the second time that I've removed it from the fridge, and then you can see how solidified it is. Then I'll just use my mixer to work it in directly until it's very creamy. You will see that in a bit anyways. So guys, you can see how creamy it is. Like, I really love this. I wanted to do this video for a very long time, but I just be procrastinating. I will do it tomorrow, I will do it next tomorrow. So that is how this video take months before finally be done. Okay, so as you can see, it's creamy and it's looking yummy, like as if I want to eat it, but this one is not for it, it's for hair. So if you are watching and you like what you are seeing, please subscribe. To subscribe is free. All you need to do is just to touch that red button you are seeing down there, and the notification bell. Once you touch it, it will show all. Just put it in all so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to know. And as well, you can share with friends and family. This is very good for natural hair. You can also use it for your relaxed hair. So guys, that is it. So as you can see, I'm done mixing the butter. So I just transfer it to my bag. Like this bag I'm using, just a stress. It's like you don't need it. I'm just stressing myself. So I'll just put it inside the bag and then transfer it to my container. So this container is one of my moisturizer. I just decided to store it there and then put everything in there. It's very simple and it's very good. So guys, to store this buttercream for the May time that we are in the summer, if in case you do it in the summertime, all you have to do is to keep them in the fridge and then bring it out whenever you want to use them. So our buttercream is ready. That is it for this video. Hope you like it and hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to share with others, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.